Today I'm going to discuss about the Postman with fake data and global variable. First of all, what is Postman? It's not a person who is posting mail, right? Here we are using Postman for API for testing data. API testing data using this Postman is very helpful. Rather than Postman, there is other tool like SOAP UI. Okay, let me see. First thing is that from where you are getting data, right? uh, I'm not using any data. I'm using fake data from website itself. You can get the fake data, say reqres dot in. Here you will getting the fake data, right? So here is that two, you will get that get data, and for the single users you are getting also data. Okay, so similarly I copy it from here and test it from the Postman. Okay, uh, let me show it how it behaves. Okay, for the get, I get the data from URL that reqres.in and the request API users too. Okay, and here I just give that it's a hitting, no, there is a no body for the get, and we are getting response. Okay, and for post itself you have to mention the header as well as body. Okay, here in the header I have mentioned content type as application slash JSON, and here in the body itself, this is we can call payload. Here I have mentioned name and job. Okay, and I'm getting the output here. And so how can I get that one is the dynamic way or by script way. Okay, so let me show it from the Postman how I have get the data. Okay, here I put the URL just like a get URL, and there is in the header itself I did not mention anything. It's automatically it's supporting as a JSON when you are getting data, because we don't submit any data, so we are not mentioning anything here. But here in the content type, header is a content type, you will get as a JSON or XML or whatever it's supporting. So let's see how it's working. So for the get, I'm getting this data. Okay, and here I stored in the collection. After new collection, say here I am storing it. This is will be useful for you. Okay, and here you see the get. Let me see the post. In the post itself, I have to mention the header content type as application slash JSON. Okay, and the body itself, say you have to mention that body is in the JSON, and there is nothing in the please request script. Okay, after uh, sending, then you will see that it's a data is available. Suppose if I forget to give that data, say I did not provide it here in the no content type, here you will see that something going wrong, you are not getting data. Okay, so content type you have to mention must. Once I rectified the content type, then only I get the correct data. Okay, let me do one thing. What I have done, I put that body. Okay, and there is nothing in the pre-request script. Let me duplicate that request. So here I mention is the say is the script 3. Okay, so if I just it's the same as the post, it's the same thing. Here what I can do, I'm here I have two field, right? If you have hundreds of field and you need to change dynamically, you don't have to touch the body. You can reset that value. How can you do that? Using the global variable. Click on that set global variable, and what you need to change here, say job. I want to change the job. Okay, here I mention that say job 1 2 and is that IT analyst, and job 1 2 instead of body, uh, in the job leader I am using the variable. Okay, so let's see how the output is. Oh, I got the output what I have reset it here. Okay, so using global variable we can do the same result, right? If you have many variable in the request body, create request body, replace entire request body, add as many as array, add dynamic data, it can replace it. It's allowed to make things dynamically. So here is the simple JavaScript to reset the value, reset the variable value present here. So this is the one way we get it. And here you will see that what are the variable. Recently I have added job 1 2 as IT analyst, I have mentioned here. So using global variable you can do uh, many things here. Okay, hope you enjoyed, uh, and keep subscribing. I will talk to you in next tutorial. Okay, thank you.